It is an honor and a privilege to speak to you today as a representative of Sinn Féin and of Accra Sinn Féin. Speaking as a member of the Republican movement is always an honor, but even more so in front of people such as you. Irish Republicans have had a long struggle against foreign imperialism in our country. From the rebellion of 1960 to the Easter Rebellion of 1798 and onwards to the latest phase of our struggle, Republicans have an unbroken tradition of resistance to British rule in Ireland. This opposition remains today. Sinn Féin is now in government in the Northern Assembly as the largest nationalist or Republican party and is the third largest party in the whole of Ireland. A feat many thought impossible 20 or even 10 years ago. In the past, we have faced impossible odds and had to overcome barrier after barrier in pursuit of what